Hello and welcome to DPS Watch and Learn video session. In this video session, we will study about size and location of India, that is chapter 1 of geography class 9. Let's start. Firstly, we will discuss the location of India. Under this headline, we will understand where exactly India is located on the globe. As we talk about its location, we can see that it is entirely located in the northern hemisphere and it is also entirely located in the eastern hemisphere. Its latitudinal extension starts from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. As we talk about its longitudinal extension starts from 68 degree 7 minute east and to 97 degree 25 minute east. That is the longitudinal and latitudinal extension of India. That means its latitudinal extension starts from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitudinal extension from 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 minute east. One of the important latitude that is known as Tropic of Cancer, its value is 23.5 degree north. See here, Tropic of Cancer, it passes mid of the country that divides our country into two parts, and these two parts experience two types of climate. The north part of Tropic of Cancer experience subtropical type of climate, and the southern part of Tropic of Cancer will experience tropical type of climate. Let's see on the globe where India is located. See here, I have drawn a globe on the board. That is North Pole, that is the South Pole, East and West. There are two types of lines has been drawn on the earth. These two types of lines are known as longitudes and latitudes. The line that is drawn from north to south, that line is known as longitude. Again I am repeating, the line that is drawn from north to south, that line is known as longitude. 0 degree longitude, that is known as GMT. That is known as GMT. 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude is known as GMT, that means Greenwich Mean Time. From this GMT, suppose this is the 0 degree GMT. From this GMT, 180 lines has been drawn east of the GMT, and again 180 lines has been drawn west of the GMT. Here we have discussed that the longitudinal extension of India starts from 68 degree 7 east. That means it is east of the GMT, and it is extended up to 97 degree 25 minute east. 97 degree 25 minute east. That means it is also in the eastern hemisphere. That means completely, entirely, it is located in the eastern hemisphere. Let's see how it is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. As we know, an important line that is known as Great Circle. You have studied in your previous class 6, you have studied about the Great Circle, equator, that divides earth into two halves. The northern part of equator is known as northern hemisphere, this portion, is known as northern hemisphere, and this portion is known as northern hemisphere, and this portion is known as southern hemisphere. Again, we have discussed that longitudinal extension of India starts from 8 degree 4 minute east up to 37 degree 6 minute east. That means it is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. Again, the southernmost point of India was Indira Point. Was, not is. In 2004 tsunami, it got submerged in water. So I said was. Understood? Now, the southeast of mainland. The southeast of mainland lies Andaman Nicobar Islands. That means to the southeast of our country. See here, that is a peninsula, and this is the southeast part of India. Here lies an island that is Andaman and Nicobar, and to the southwest of mainland lies Lakshadweep. That is also an islands, and Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea. On the other hand, Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair, and the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Is it clear? Now you understood about the location of India. Next, we will discuss the size of India. India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. That occupies 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. See here, it is 3.28 million square kilometer. That means India has area of 3.28 million square kilometer. That occupies 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. In this way, India is the 7th largest country. India is the 7th largest country. That means only 6 countries are bigger than India. After 6 countries, it is the 7th largest country of the world. What are the countries that are bigger than India? They are USSR, that means Russia. Second one is Canada. Third one is USA, United States America, and fourth one is Australia, and fifth one is China, and sixth one is Brazil. Only 6 countries are bigger than India. These countries are Russia, Canada, America, Australia, China, and Brazil. The length of land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometers. Again listen, the length of the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers, and the length of the coastal boundary including islands. Again listen carefully, I said including island. I am not talking only about the peninsular part of India. It also, if we talk about the coastal length of India, including island, that means it includes Lakshadweep as well as Andaman Nicobar Island also. And the total length of coastal boundary of India, including island, is 7,516.6 kilometers. If we talk about the population of India, as we know, it is the second largest populous country in the world after China. China is the most populous country in the world. Our next topic is India's and world. The next topic to discuss is India and the world. India has central location between East and West Asia. It is southward extension of Asian continent. The Deccan Peninsula helps India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe, and from the western coast of peninsula, and from the eastern coast of peninsula, India can contact with other countries such as Southeast Asia and Eastern Asia. That means through its eastern coast, India can contact with Southeast Asia and Eastern Asia, and through western coast, India can contact Africa, Europe, and Western Asia, etc. That means India is connected to whole the country of the world. Now move to the next topics. The topic is India's neighbors. All those countries that is situated nearby, those countries are known as neighboring country. India has many neighboring countries. We will discuss all of them. Firstly, from north, we can see India has three neighboring countries: China, Nepal, and Bhutan. To the northwest, India has two neighboring countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And to the east, India has a neighboring country as Myanmar and Bangladesh. Southern across the sea, the neighboring country of India is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Southern across the sea, India has two neighboring countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. You can see this on the map. Here this is Gulf of Mannar and that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka and India got separated through this strait, and here you can see all the neighboring countries of India. In the north you can see China, Bhutan. In the northwest you can see Pakistan, Afghanistan. In the east you can see Bangladesh, Myanmar. In the south you can see Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are the neighboring countries of India. Now chapter is finished.